Humans did not come from Earth. Bombshell claims life started on another planet. Some scientists have not ruled out the Panspermia, seed, hypothesis that bacteria distributed by space dust, asteroids or meteors arrived on Earth and sparked life. Boffins were recently stunned to find two ancient meteorites which crash-landed 20 years ago contained the basic building blocks for life. Many experts have theorized that life spreads like an interstellar infection and expect clusters of planets in the galaxy to have alien life forms. Dr. Ellis Silver, who has studied evolution, has an outlandish belief on the human race's origins. In his book, Humans Are Not From Earth, which has been debated online recently, he claims that we were brought here tens of thousands of years ago by aliens. His reasoning is humans appear so unable to cope with life on Earth. Mankind is supposedly the most highly developed species on the planet, yet is surprisingly unsuited and ill-equipped for Earth's environment, harmed by sunlight, a strong dislike for naturally occurring foods, ridiculously high rates of chronic disease, and more, he said. He claimed the difficulty of childbirth was more proof to his claims. Dr. Silver also pointed to how humans regularly suffer from bad backs, which he theorized is because life evolved on a planet with lower gravity. He said, "Indeed, if you can find a single person who is 100% and healthy and not suffering from some perhaps hidden or unstated condition or disorder, I would be extremely surprised. I have not been able to find anyone. The Earth approximately meets our needs as a species, but perhaps not as strongly as whoever brought us here initially thought." Bizarrely, he believes Earth could actually be some kind of galactic jail. The Earth might be a prison planet, since we seem to be a naturally violent species and we're here until we learn to behave ourselves, he added. The life started elsewhere theory gained credence recently, albeit without the aliens. Two space rocks, which are approximately 4.5 billion years old, smashed into Texas and Morocco in 1998. Studies have found that both the meteorites, which are thought to have originated from an asteroid belt between Jupiter and Mars, contained water and organic compounds. NASA's massive James Webb Space Telescope has been probing the atmosphere of planets in our solar system for possibly signs of biological life. Henry Lin of Harvard University believes if we find 25 worlds with life on one side, and 25 lifeless ones on the other, it could mean the Sun sits on the edge of a Panspermia bubble. Mr. Lin believes when humans begin interstellar travel it could spark the Panspermia effect. Sarah Seeger, of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, said, "Even if Panspermia doesn't happen, we might be the ones to bring it about."